Pulan alam sa ko sa tirmes haba nung gising toy ang tong nung nilogi gising tegrama na tong di so ya kare sinema gubni gising toy dini 25 তারিখ 6/9/2026 হালমারি টিভি দেব তেলামোরা সাব ডিভিশন 11 maharani constituency Mungiakami adi bolongni under online development tuyui SDM te TMP MDC Nankhukmani kokrok salakjakha o pandawo phaiye manjakha SDM TMD 11 maharanipur constituency in MDC Sir Utpal D Block President BC Mahindra Devramate Joto Bodolni Alurok Manjakha Naitung di Cinema Bini Disintu
main mungkin lama di bawah NBC di bawah salahnya politik sadar. Oke.
Ini nani puila meeting election keplangi thaimani ya golongo mo meeting 11 maharani put telamura constituency ni bebak line departments rock by sini boram ganang SDM sar botongo ozani Mungiakami adi block ni video sahib botongo mo haikeno telamura এই কলেন পূর্ণি বতম जों एक्चुअली थानाय बिसिरग ताम सामुंखा ताम सामुं थाइजांनानै दंख आबरनो रिव्यू खालामनानैसो गोमा जागना जों नुजाखा गोमा रिजन्स नि बागै सामुं पाइमे आं माने र आबरगनो आं कुसुक लेभेल सालायनाय so that the problem tongani abro solve kai a samurna dakri klaiman itu so mono decision naharka the pending samu ebarang sebagai yang itu tongani at the alias sebagai sung ketal project naharman itu asik no bele-bele kan hambai. After I have been elected as an MDC from this constituency, that is 11 Maharanipur Telamura ADC constituency, today we had a meeting with all the line departments of this constituency. Respected SDM sir is also here with us. Block development officers of Mungiakami RD block and other blocks are also here. We discuss on various ongoing projects that is going on in my constituency. We have found that many of it that has been completed, many are still pending. We have sought out the reasons why some of the projects has not been completed. This I will be taking to the higher ups so that all the projects is being completed in time. Not only that, we have instructed all the line department, whatever projects, whatever money is still pending to be spent in time and as early as possible. We have specially given importance on drinking water because as you know in this constituency, especially 4 or 5 BCs like Nonosora, Kakarasora, Holodia, Atramura BCs, people are suffering from scarcity of water. So we have emphasized on this, and we have decided that this problem will be solved as early as possible. And our SDM sir also assured us that he will render every possible help that is required. Thank you very much.